Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to assemble VEVOR meat cutting machines. Welcome back to our channel. DIY 786, USA. Today, if you are game hunters, this VEVOR meat cutter machine is best for you. This meat bone saws machine ideal for shop and home use. We're excited to introduce you to the VEVOR commercial meat bone saw machine. A powerful tool that can cut through 3,700 pounds of meat in just 1 hour. Now let's talk about the features of this incredible machine. Firstly, it comes with a 2200-watt motor, which makes it perfect for both home and shop use. It's also built to last, ensuring that you can use it for years to come. But that's not all. This meat bone saw machine is currently available at a discounted price, making it an even more enticing purchase. So if you're in the market for a high-quality, heavy-duty saw machine, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Thank you for tuning into our video today. We hope you found this introduction to the VEVOR commercial meat bone saw machine helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay safe and keep creating. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.